The time and cost of a 4-year degree isn't the only way to achieve a successful career. The Philadelphia Technician Training Institute, also known as PTTI, looks to unite those seeking job security with the guidance, education, and preparation they need to achieve their professional goals. PTTI's educational philosophy focuses on hands-on technology training. One of the best ways to gain sustainable employment in the 21st century is to know how to use modern tools of trade, so that's what we teach. PTTI provides training across 6 major programs in transforming technologies, which are continuously used to provide essential, high-demand services. Graduates from PTTI enter industries with average salaries ranging above $50,000. Interested? Let's take a look. PTTI's Diploma in Welding Technology is a program designed to connect students with jobs in the welding and fabrication industry. These industries focus on developing parts, structures, and machinery by fusing aluminum, steel, or other materials together under high heat. Welding career paths span across construction, machine fabrication, robotics, ship and auto manufacturing, and a host of other industries. The expertise obtained through PTTI's welding program is an optimal mix of 83 total hours of lecture and 817 hours of hands-on training across all major processes. The welding program covers blueprint reading, fabrication, pipe fusion skills, and more to launch you into your career. At PTTI, you'll get access to the largest welding training shop in Philadelphia, guidance from highly experienced instructors, and training with up-to-date, industry-standard machinery. Students get the opportunity to earn recognized certifications to help build a competitive resume on graduation. All PTTI programs include an externship in the field, building up your resume and putting you ahead of the competition. But training isn't all you get from PTTI. We're here to support you every step of the way through your academic experience. Our staff and faculty are excited to welcome you to our PTTI family. Our financial aid department is here to help any eligible students get access to PTTI services. We're committed to helping students navigate any tuition or fees. PTTI takes the extra step, even helping you navigate loan payments after graduating from our institution. We're committed to the prolonged success and financial independence of our graduates. We make sure that every student has all the resources they need to get to school and stay in school. Daily meals and refreshments for no additional charge, transportation assistance, help with paying for class tools, and access to technology are all made available to ensure you have everything you need to succeed. Our Career Services Department helps you plan out your professional future. Whether it be developing your resume, interview techniques, access to job fairs, or part-time job assistance, PTTI makes it so you can accelerate into your post-graduation career. At PTTI, what matters is connecting you with the professional career that you deserve. PTTI is here to make sure you achieve employment that offers you professional growth, competitive pay, advancement opportunities, vacation time, challenging work, and employee benefits. Expect results and nothing less. Contact us today for more information on what we can do for you. The Philadelphia Technician Training Institute. Changing lives one at a time.